Samsung is at it again, rolling out another major update that's taking the foldable experience to the next level. The One UI 8.0 update, powered by Android 16, is officially landing in the United States for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. This update first made its debut in South Korea, expanded across Europe, and is now lighting up screens in the US. This marks another milestone in Samsung's steady global rollout strategy for One UI 8. Currently, it's rolling out to carrier-locked variants of both devices, with more markets and unlocked versions expected soon. If you own a Galaxy Z Flip 5, look for firmware version F731US Q6YI8. And for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, you'll see version F946US Q6YI8. Updating is easy. Just head to Settings, tap Software Update, then download and install. So what's new with One UI 8.0? Expect a cleaner interface, refined animations, and more personalization options. Samsung has focused on improving usability. Everything feels snappier, more cohesive, and visually polished. From subtle design tweaks to deeper customization, One UI 8.0 makes your foldable feel just that little bit smarter. But that's not all. Samsung is already looking ahead with One UI 8.5. It's still based on Android 16, but early reports suggest an even sleeker UI, AI-powered enhancements, and deeper integration across devices. Insiders say Samsung will debut One UI 8.5 alongside the Galaxy S26 series in February 2026, setting a new standard for Android refinement. For now, the One UI 8.0 update is a solid step forward, smoother, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Have you received the update on your Z Flip 5 or Z Fold 5 yet? Drop your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Samsung updates.